friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the last entry to my memorydex spinner giveaway package, and I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner in a day or two, because I'm putting together a nice big package for the winner, so give me a couple of days before the winner is announced for this giveaway. And I will also be announcing the winner for the other giveaway pretty soon. So this one comes from Alicia Hayes, and she did contact me that she needed a little bit more time to mail in her entry, which was fine by me. You know, like I stated before in my previous videos, you know, I can extend the giveaway as long as you contact me to let me know it's on the way. So let's go ahead and see what Alicia has sent. Oh my goodness, how exciting. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Now we have two packages here, and let me see, the one with the envelope, I would think that this one is for me and this one is for whoever wins. So I'm not going to touch that. Okay, I'm not going to touch that at all. And look at this. I just love these types of ribbons or wrappings. Like, and I'm sure she got this from Temu. You know how I know? Because I order from all the time, and this is one color that I don't have, so thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go so well with another collection that I'm working on for the summer. So okay, so let's go ahead and do this. And we are going to, oh my goodness, I just love this. I love the way you wrap things up, Alicia. Look at this. And of course, I can go ahead and use this in another one of my, my crafts. Okay, so right here it says Sandy. Let's see. Oh, look, she went ahead and added a little bunny. How cute is that? Let's see what Alicia says. Look how pretty, you guys. This is so pretty. I love it. I just love this. Okay. In YouTube, she is, hang on, let me go ahead and read this first. I'm jumping ahead of myself. Okay, hi Sandy, I hope that this note finds you feeling better. Oh, thank you so much, Alicia. As a matter of fact, I go for my, post-op update or whatever tomorrow. I go see her tomorrow, so we'll see what she says. And recovering well from your recent surgery. I've been missing my crafting mojo for a while. Oh no, your challenge has helped me to get back to crafting. Well, good. I am so happy to hear that, Alicia. Wishing you all the best, Alicia Hayes. And this is her channel on YouTube, and on Instagram she is Stowbacker Creates. Okay, so go ahead and look her up on both and subscribe to her on YouTube and follow her Instagram. So let's see what Alicia has made. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So super excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. I saw her video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so much prettier in person. Oh my gosh, and it's a shaker, look. And I love how she, goodness, I'm sorry about my voice. It's just been like this all day today and yesterday too. I just love this. Oh my goodness, look how she did this. This is absolutely amazing. And I like that paper too. I bet you it's Prima. It's either Prima or Mente. It has those, you know, that style of the illustrations. I love that. Oh, and look at the shaker bits. I'm going to go ahead and use those shaker bits on my own stuff. I'm going to hang on to those shaker bits. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. Okay, so Alicia's memorydex card looks like my word. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It says, let life surprise you. And you know, Alicia, from 2020 onwards, my life has been full of surprises. You know, it's just one of those things that you're like, you know, one day, someday, we will laugh about it. Well, okay, enough said. Alrighty, but look how pretty. I really like how I think I've seen this dye, I think, on Temu. And yeah, now that I see it in person, it's very nice, because I was iffy on it, you know. I was like, oh, should I get it? Should I not get it? Da, 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 da. I like it. I like it a lot. And I just love these roses. You know, Alicia, I have been, oh my gosh, I have all these flower dyes, all these roses dyes. You know, we're talking heartfelt creations. We're talking spellbinders and everything. I even have those molds to shape them and stuff. Oh gosh, but I am so flower challenged. I can't seem to make my flowers as dainty and beautiful as Emma, you know, Emma from Heartfelt does them, because, you know, that's what I want to do. But nope, I can't bring myself to make my flowers as beautiful as her. So what I did was I cheated. I went to the I Am Roses website and I ordered a ton of roses. So I'm looking forward for them to get here. It said, the site said, they emailed me back and they said they should get here within 30 days. So keeping my fingers crossed it gets here before then. But I absolutely love these, and I love these flowers. And her address and everything. Look, this is so smart. She made a pocket. This is like one of them, whatchamacallit, what is that? The circle dies that has a little designs. Oh my gosh, what do you call those things? Oh my gosh, I tell you, it's like I've had brain fog for a while now, and when I want to... I got a funny story. Yesterday, I had to order a new fridge, okay? And believe me, when I tell you that I had to go back and forth like 20 times to get the measurements of the space so that I could make sure that the fridge that I'm ordering fits in there, until my husband looked at me and says, why don't you just write it down? But yeah, talk about brain fog. Oh my gosh, I was like a little duck from here to the kitchen, and then going back here, getting on the internet. Does that fit? I don't know. Taking my whatchamacallit again and running back to the kitchen. And is it gonna fit? You know, it never dawned on me to write it down. See? That's what age does to you. But yeah, this is so smart what she did, and I love that idea. Thank you for the wonderful idea. See, you got your crafty mojo back, Alicia. So thank you so much for your entry. I am not going to open this because I want the winner to be like, wow, ooh, and ah. Okay, it'll be like Christmas for her. Alrighty? And so, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say bye now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please give Alicia some love, and everybody else who has entered my giveaway. You know, they're in the description area of my videos. You will find the info, so you can find them on social media and right here on YouTube. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Okay, bye.